In this video, we will learn that how we can do multi-level sorting in Microsoft Excel. To learn multi-level sorting, here we have sample table or sample data that belongs to customer names and sales invoices. Let's say we want to sort these three highlighted columns, that is customer name, invoice date and invoice amount. For sake of understanding or for your convenience to understand, here I have written the three sorting level for three columns and basis of sorting. Let's say the first level sorting that we want is for customer name and base of sorting we want from A to Z. Second sorting, for example, that we want is for invoice date column and base we want from oldest to newest dates. Similarly, the third sorting level, for example, that we want is for amount column and base we want from smallest to largest. Now to use multi-level sorting on our table or data, we need to go to Home tab. In Home tab, we need to go to Sort and Filter command. In Sort and Filter command, we need to click on this option Custom Sort. In Custom Sort window, we need to select, first of all, we need to select the column that we want to do level 1 sorting. As we want to do level 1 sorting for customer name column, so we will select here customer name column. And basis of sorting we want from A to Z, so we will let it be here A to Z. Now for second level sorting, we will click on this button add level. It will insert a new row. In this row we will select column for which we want second level sorting. So as we want second level sorting for invoice date column, we will simply select here invoice date column and basis of sorting from oldest to newest, so oldest to newest. For third level sorting, again we will click on this button add level. It will insert one new row and we will select here third column for which we want third level sorting. We will select here amount column and basis smallest to largest, smallest to largest. Now as we want three level sorting, we have been selected all these three columns and basis of sorting. Now we will click on OK. As we have been used multi-level sorting on our table or data, you can see here customer names have been sorted in order from A to Z. If we check the invoices of Al Ihsan, for example, you will see here these are all invoices of Al Ihsan, but these invoices are sorted based on date, that is oldest to newest date. You can see here 11 January, 1st April, 7 May, 4 July and 6 December. After that, if we check, these are 4 invoices that issued to Al Ihsan on 11 January, but these 4 invoices are sorted based on amount from smallest to largest. Similarly, 3 invoices issued to Al Ihsan on 1st April, but these 3 invoices are sorted from smallest to largest amount. Similarly, we issued to Al Ihsan 4 invoices on 7 May, but these 4 invoices are sorted based on amount that is smallest to largest. So friends, this is multi-level sorting in which we can sort multiple columns at one time. This is much better than simple sorting. As you know, in simple sorting we can sort only one column at a time, but in multi-level sorting or in custom sorting we can sort multiple columns at once. So friends, that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to give thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Microsoft Office Tutorials. Also don't forget to press the bell icon button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.